This is America's 249th year! Wow! Just look at those fireworks! Coming in different colors! Whoa, there's some blue ones! Great! Whoa! Oh, yeah! Including red ones! Wow! Yay! Hooray for America! From 1776 to 2025. 249 years. Huh? Yikes! Oh, my ears are ringing. Oh. Ooh!
Look at the fireworks.
Huh? Wow! Including multicolored fireworks. I hope my sister is doing okay. Huh?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe
Whoa.
that string.
Whoa! Wow! This is Coolio! Hooray!
You guys want dollar for it?
Whoa!
I saw you.
My ears are ringing from the loud explosion, from the loudest booms. But not the small pumps from the small fireworks going off. Oh!
Wow!
My ears are ringing! So, music is playing. Do you guys know what song is playing? I mean, in the comments. Which is what I was trying to say. Whoa! Ignore that. Just ignore that pickup truck. Whoa. Oh, excuse me. Whoa. 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 Wow, multiple explosions. Whoa! Multi-explosions. Double explosion. Huh? Oh, never mind. Triple explosion. Whoa! Was that a quadruple? Now my sister is doing some sparklers. Wow! This. And by the way, the ones.
The ones that come and then they sit and they have the nuts. They're like 3 different colors. I think they must have them like
Whoa!
really big ones for that little fishing carry.
Boom!
That's where we set them off at.
Yeah! bit itchy, and I do not know why. Whoa! Yikes!
Ooh, that was a red, white, and blue one.
Yeah! 3 colors! 3 colors in one firework!
Yeah. Sparkly.
Whoa! Double explosion! Ava, can you please not do that? Near the chairs?
Away from the chairs, Ava. Away from the chairs, Ava.
Away from those chairs!
You, shush.
Wow! Also, I just noticed there's a plane in the sky. Hope that doesn't get shot. I hope they luckily noticed that plane. That would be dangerous. If whoa! Those would scare the bull out of people. Yeah, USA! Also, download Country Ball stickers. Available on Google Play. If you're trying to find it. Whoa. I do not know what would happen if some of the sparks go into the water. There's a 50-50 chance that something bad could happen. I do not know what. I still feel very happy for America. Huh? Whoa! 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 That was cool. Whoa! I might. I'm starting to get tired. Whoa! Whoa! Triple explosion! Quadruple! Quintuple! And more than that. Whoa! Multiple! Multiple boom! Ha 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 ha. Whoa! Ow, my ear! Ow! My ears are ringing. Again. Now. Oh. company.
Hey,
Whoa!
oh, I love those ones. Those are my favorite.
The ones that have
Yeah,
the
ones that have the color and then the weeping willow.
ones that flash. Whoa!
Oh, sparkly. I like myself some sparkle.
And the ones that they go.
Speaking of
Something similar like that.
diamond, it's beautiful.
Let me guess. Put this back.
Nope, emerald.
Uh-oh. There goes my fireworks. Wow!
It's really pretty though. I got to
Okay.
see it in person.
Uh-oh. More explosions. Ooh, yellow ones.